Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Rajesh and I'm back with another video. Yes, this is a PC build video and one of my favorite PC build, approx 75,000 rupees. Let's talk about the component first. The first component which we have is the cabinet. This is Cooler Master Box Lite 5 RGB. It does come with an RGB and non-RGB version. The one I'm talking about is RGB. It also has 3 inbuilt fan in this cabinet. The link would be in the description below for this cabinet and the non-RGB cabinet unboxing videos. Both unboxing video link are available in the description box. The price in Indian market is for 5,200 approx for this cabinet. The next thing which we require is a motherboard. So we have this Asus motherboard which is ROG, which is Asus Republic of Gaming ROG Z370F Gaming. This is one of my favorite 8th generation motherboard for Intel build. This motherboard also comes with inbuilt Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, the E version. So this is the F version, available for 16,500 in India market, and you can find a dedicated video link in the description box below. So the next thing which you need is a graphic card. This is a GTX 1060 3GB overclock edition and with dual fan, available for 21,000 rupees. The prices for GPU are quite flexible, so right now today the price is 21,000 rupees for this. The processor, i5-8400, which is a 6-core 6-thread processor, and it is really capable of handling games. And yeah, so that's the processor. The price for the processor is 12,900, and yeah, good processor for 12,900. RAM. Okay, you can probably go for a cheaper RAM. Again, don't comment on that, why so expensive RAM. This is RGB Trident Z for 9,500, and just for the 8GB you can probably buy HyperX for 6,800 rupees. It's all your choice. So I'm gonna put an expensive RAM because my subscriber really likes this RAM, and also it is RGB and it is my personal choice. So 9,500 just for 8GB 3000 megahertz RAM. And it does support Aura Sync. So I'm using all the components those supports Aura Sync, because our motherboard supports Aura Sync, this thing supports Aura Sync, this thing supports Aura Sync. So yeah, 9,500 for the RAM, 3000 megahertz for 8GB DDR4. We also need a SSD. So this time I'm selecting a Kingston SSD. This is available for approx 3,300, 120GB SSD. You can probably go for WD for just 100 rupees more, and but still Kingston is a good brand. This is Seagate 1TB hard drive for 3,100. If you opt for WD Blue, that would cost you 3,000 rupees approx. So 3,100 rupees for Seagate Barracuda 1TB hard drive. Left with one more component. Let me just get that. So the next thing which we have is a Cooler Master Liquid ML120L. This is a liquid cooler, and it does support Aura Sync. So all our devices, which is the cabinet, the motherboard, the RAM, and this one, they all support RGB Aura Sync. So that's a nice thing for our builds. And yeah, this is available for 4,750 rupees, and you can get the non-RGB version, which is 400 rupees cheaper. So yeah, that's about the component for this build, and let's start making our PC. If you have any questions, so do let me know in the comments about the pricing. If you want to know any component information, I'll be more than happy. So let's just go ahead and start building the PC. what's up guys, I am here with the gameplay, and I know the game is very bad, I know the monitor is very bad. It only supports 60 frames because the refresh rate is just 60 Hertz. So yeah, just wanted to show you a gameplay. On the next video maybe we'll get some better gameplay. So let's just start. I'm not good into gaming, so I'm gonna hand over the keyboard to one of my friends, let him play, and he is gonna show you. On the left hand side you can see the CPU usage is almost 43%, no 34%, and the CPU temperature is 42. However, the GPU usage is about 28%, and I'm playing on ultra setting. No, not really ultra, that's the high setting which we have in this game. And my friend Gurpal is playing really well, man. I wish I could have Bugatti tod diya, sharam karo. I wish I could have a higher refresh rate monitor, maybe 144 Hz. So yeah, so we are playing this game here. So alright, that was a quick gameplay and all about this PC. The PC cost is 78,000 rupees. If you have any questions about this PC build, do let me know in the comments. I'll be more than happy to help you and answer your query. And don't forget to subscribe, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you. The components link would be in the description below. You can go ahead and buy from the link. And that's about the video. Thank you for watching. Stay happy and stay blessed. Bye bye. So this is how it looks, and I'm pretty much sure the camera is able to capture. Trust me, it looks better than I expected. And this is the front panel. Yeah, so that's about the video. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, as it really motivates me to make some more videos for you.